Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch freezing or hanging? You're not alone. These issues, where your watch becomes unresponsive, are often due to software glitches, hardware limitations, or how you're using the device. We'll explore the causes and, most importantly, how to fix them. Freezing or hanging means the watch stops responding to your inputs, requiring a restart. The main causes include software glitches, hardware limitations, and user habits. We'll explore these causes in detail and show you how to fix them. Samsung has actively addressed freezing problems with software updates. One UI Watch 6.2, released in late 2025, included fixes for freezing on Galaxy Watch 6 and Ultra models, specifically targeting Bluetooth and app multitasking issues. A January 2026 patch, version 4.5123, addressed freezes on older Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 models, sometimes requiring a factory reset. Several factors can lead to freezing on a Galaxy Watch. The main causes fall into three categories: software glitches, hardware limitations, and user habits. Software glitches often stem from bugs in One UI Watch that create infinite loops in background processes. Apps like Google Fit or Samsung Health can overload the system's limited RAM, which is only about 1.5 gigabytes in newer models like the Watch 6. This multitasking overload leads to the device becoming unresponsive. Hardware limitations include battery drain and sensor malfunctions. As lithium-ion batteries degrade over time, they cause voltage drops that can freeze the system. Faulty sensors, like the accelerometer, may also trigger hangs during use. User habits play a significant role as well. Overloading the watch with too many apps can strain resources, while poor charging habits accelerate battery wear. Incompatible third-party software can also cause conflicts leading to freezes. Let's start with the basics. First, try a force restart by holding the side button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, selecting the problematic app, and clearing the cache. For more persistent freezing issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch, advanced troubleshooting involves booting into safe mode to isolate problematic apps or performing a factory reset as a last resort. To enter safe mode, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then long press the power off option and tap safe mode when prompted. This disables all third-party apps, allowing you to test if the freezing occurs without them. If safe mode doesn't resolve the issue, a factory reset is the last resort. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Confirm and enter your PIN if required. Remember, this erases all data, so back up your information first using Samsung SmartThings. After the factory reset, set up your watch as new and reinstall apps one by one to identify any problematic ones. Real-world examples show how specific issues with Galaxy Watches have been resolved through targeted solutions. For the Galaxy Watch Ultra released in 2023, users experienced freezing during extreme workouts due to a bug in the ruggedized software. Disabling auto-sync in the Samsung Health app often resolved this issue, restoring normal functionality. The Galaxy Watch 5 had a batch issue in 2024 where screens froze when paired with iPhones via Bluetooth. A firmware update through the Samsung Members app fixed this problem for affected users. Some Galaxy Watch 6 users encountered freezing after a Google Maps update. For advanced users, accessing repair mode via ADB tools provided a solution to restore the device. Preventative maintenance is essential for keeping your Galaxy Watch running smoothly and avoiding freezing issues. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering problems. First, regularly update your watch's firmware. Samsung releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance, preventing many freezing issues. Second, limit the number of background apps. The Galaxy Watch has limited RAM, so too many running apps can overload the system and cause hangs. Third, always use Samsung's official chargers. Proper charging prevents battery degradation, which can lead to voltage drops and freezing. Finally, maintain proper charging habits. Avoid letting the battery drain completely or overcharging, and use compatible accessories to keep your watch healthy. Looking ahead to the future of Galaxy Watch performance, Samsung's partnership with Google is integrating artificial intelligence to optimize Wear OS, potentially reducing crashes and improving overall stability. The upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 is expected to include enhanced hardware capabilities and improved thermal management, addressing many of the underlying causes of freezing issues. While freezing problems are becoming less frequent thanks to these advancements, maintaining awareness of updates and best practices remains important. Staying informed about new features and being proactive with maintenance will help ensure your Galaxy Watch continues to run smoothly.